Section 1. A culinary celebration, the steak sandwich. Listen up, you lot. Today we're diving into a culinary masterpiece that's close to my heart, the steak sandwich. Forget fancy restaurants and Michelin stars. This is about pure, unadulterated satisfaction in every bite. We're talking juicy, perfectly cooked steak nestled between toasted bread, oozing with flavor and texture. This isn't just a sandwich. It's an experience, a symphony of taste and texture that'll have you licking your fingers and craving more. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe is your ticket to sandwich heaven. We'll break down each step, ensuring you're armed with the knowledge and confidence to create a steak sandwich that'll make you the envy of your friends and family. Get ready to unleash your inner culinary rock star and create a sandwich that's bursting with flavor and guaranteed to impress. Trust me, this is one recipe you'll want to add to your repertoire. So put on your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get cooking. Section 2. Gathering your arsenal ingredients for a champion sandwich. Now before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's gather our weapons of choice, the ingredients. Remember, quality ingredients are the foundation of any great dish, and this steak sandwich is no exception. First and foremost, the star of the show, the steak. We're looking for a cut that's both flavorful and tender, like a ribeye, New York strip, or sirloin. Opt for a steak that's at least an inch thick, with good marbling, which will ensure maximum juiciness and flavor. Next, the bread. A crusty baguette or ciabatta roll will hold up beautifully to the juicy steak and toppings. Look for bread with a good crust and a soft, airy interior. Section 3. The art of creation. Cooking your steak to perfection. Right, let's get down to business. Pat your steak dry with paper towels and season generously with salt and pepper. Remember, seasoning is key to enhancing the natural flavors of the meat. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet or grill pan over high heat until it's screaming hot. You want that steak to sizzle the moment it hits the pan. Add a drizzle of oil to the pan, then carefully lay your steak down, away from you to avoid any oil splattering. Now here's where the magic happens. Sear the steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This caramelized crust is what gives the steak its incredible flavor and texture. Section 4. Building your masterpiece. Assembling the ultimate steak sandwich. Now that your steak is resting, let's talk toppings. This is your chance to get creative and personalize your sandwich. Some classic choices include caramelized onions, sautéed mushrooms, melted cheese, and aioli. For a fresh and vibrant twist, try adding sliced tomatoes, crispy lettuce, and a dollop of chimichurri sauce. Toast your bread until lightly golden brown, then spread a generous layer of your chosen sauce on both sides. Now for the star of the show. Carefully slice your steak against the grain into thin strips. This ensures maximum tenderness and allows the flavors to shine through. Layer the steak slices on the bottom half of your bread, followed by your desired toppings. Section 5. Sides and sauces. Elevating your sandwich experience. No steak sandwich is complete without a side of something delicious. Some classic pairings include crispy fries, onion rings, or a fresh salad. For a lighter option, try serving your sandwich with a side of grilled vegetables or a simple fruit salad. When it comes to sauces, the possibilities are endless. A classic aioli or chimichurri sauce adds a tangy and herbaceous element, while a spicy mayo or horseradish cream sauce brings the heat. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations to find your perfect pairing. Section 6. Unleash your inner chef tips and tricks for sandwich mastery. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and having fun in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to tweak this recipe to your liking, adding your own personal touches and flavor combinations. Try different cuts of meat, experiment with various cheeses and toppings, and don't be shy with the sauces. The key to a truly exceptional steak sandwich lies in the details. Take your time, pay attention to each step, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Cooking should be a joyous and rewarding experience, so put on some music, pour yourself a glass of wine, and let your culinary creativity soar.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.